When new traders enter the market, they often wonder if trading can be profitable. With so many rumors circulating the web, it's hard to not get confused by all the conflicting standpoints. Trading is profitable if you have a profitable trading strategy and stick to it. However, being a profitable trader by trading discretionarily is hard, and is becoming even harder as markets become more efficient. To stand a chance, you need to use a systematic approach to find the real edge in the market. The most important ingredient for profitable trading. If I were to distinguish the most important aspect of profitable trading, it would, without any doubt, be the edge. Without it, making any money in the market is impossible. An edge is a recurrent pattern in the market that tends to precede a specific market movement. If the strategy or approach you use doesn't have an edge, then you will be destined for losses, at least in the long run. Now, this might sound quite obvious. What I am saying is that a strategy needs to produce money to be profitable, right? To some extent that's right, but it's not really that simple. To understand what I mean, there are a couple of things that we need to cover first. Markets aren't rational. One of the erroneous assumptions new traders make is that the markets are rational and logical by their nature. They assume that something works since the idea behind seems sound and logical. Now, that's not the case. The markets are representations of human behavior. It's humans who make up to the market, which means that our shortcomings and irrationality are carried over into the markets. In short, most market action is driven by fear and greed, which also translates into a fickle market. Knowing this, it would be foolish to assume that a market would behave in a certain way because we expect it to. Many concepts in technical analysis build on this type of reasoning, which also is one of the main reasons why most technical analysis that's taught doesn't work. Another important thing to recognize is that edges are market inefficiencies, which exist because most people don't notice them. If an edge gets public, and enough people decide to make use of it, that will result in it getting much weaker or even disappearing. This is another reason why what you read and hear online doesn't work. When people get to know about it, they pour in money into trading those edges, which makes them disappear. Most market action is random. Of all the patterns you spot and observations you make in the market, most hold no value whatsoever. They are the result of randomness, and can't be used to trade profitably. Or in other words, they hold no edge, even if that's how it appears. This issue, where we mistake randomness in the market for a real edge, is called curve fitting. One of the biggest obstacles traders face is to separate the real edges from the random market noise. You need to have a lot of data. Many new traders mistake the randomness of the market as a sign of their proficiency. The truth is that it's very easy to start trading something that, out of random luck, performs well for a short period of time. Coupled with way too aggressive risk-taking, this ensures that some people manage to perform incredibly well for short time periods. However, when looking at long periods of time, those traders will most likely end up with losses, since they have no edge. To make it easier to understand, trading without an edge could be said to be like playing the lottery. Most people lose money, but some very few will be lucky and make a lot. Summary. In short, having something that's profitable in the sense that you've seen it make money for a short period of time, isn't enough for it to be profitable going forward. Assuming that a rational idea about how the market should work is enough to have a profitable trading strategy, is not correct. Believing that a short observation of profitable behavior isn't correct either. The randomness in the market is way too strong. When people say that trading isn't profitable, it's because they haven't figured out that this is what's holding them back. However, it is possible to find an edge in the market, if you use the right methods.